morning students. In this video we are going to study IUPAC name of the compounds containing monofunctional group, means only one functional group. Okay, so many organic compounds containing two or more functional group or maybe one functional group. So if the organic compound containing only one functional group, that is called as the monofunctional organic compounds. Okay, and which containing two or more functional group, they are called as the polyfunctional organic compounds. Okay, so here first we observe or we discuss about the prefix and suffix. Many organic compounds, they use prefix as well as suffix, means before the name of the original name of that compounds. So before the name of that parent organic compound or parent alkane or parent hydrocarbon, before some words are there, and that is called as a prefix. And after some words or group of that alphabets are there, and that is called as a suffix. म्हणजे एखाद्या वर्डच्या समोर जे लावतो आपण त्याला काय म्हणतात, प्रीफिक्स. प्री म्हणजे समोर लावणे, आणि त्याच मेन वर्डच्या जर बॅक साइडला लावलं तर त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, सफिक्स. मेनी ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड्स कॅन वी यूज ऍज अ prefix as well as suffix, means both prefix and suffix, and these are as this COOH. This is the prefix used as a carboxyl, okay, and suffix used as a OIC acid. Okay, means for example here CH3C double bond OH. Okay, so here in this compound, here 1, 2, that is here ethane, means 2 carbon atom, that is ethane, and E is replaced by OIC acid, so it is called as a ethanoic acid, or it is also called as carboxyl acid. Okay, so this is the ethanoic acid, means suffix OIC acid is used. Okay, next one COOR, it is ester, means it is a alkoxycarboxyl. It is alkoxycarboxyl, means prefix used as a alkoxycarboxyl, but suffix used as a, during writing IUPAC name, suffix used as a OAT. For example here CH3C double bond OC2H5. Okay, so this is the ester, and this is carboxylic acid, and this H, it gets replaced by this ethyl group, but it is a ester. Okay, means it is a alkoxy carboxyl group. This is the alkoxy and this is carboxyl group. Okay, so it is called as, this is ether. Okay, and this is called as ethanoic acid. So IC acid replaced by here OATE. So this is called as ethyl ethanoate. Okay. Next one COCl. This is the chlorocarboxyl. This group is called as chlorocarboxyl, and the suffix used for this group is OYL chloride. For example again CH3C double bond OCl. So this is called as acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride, or here ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride, OYL chloride. Okay, so these are the prefix. Then CONH2, this is called as carbamoyl. Okay, means prefix used in the some cases carbamoyl, or here it is a amide. CONH2, that is amide. For example again here CH3C double bond O NH2. This is called as here Ethenamide. Ethenamide. Okay. So it is amide. Then CN. It is a cyanoalkane. Okay. So cyno, and the prefix suffix is used as a nitrile. That is, suppose CH3CN. This is also called as a cynomethane. Okay, and this is called as again acetonitrile. Acetonitrile. Okay. Next one, that is CHO. CHO, this is a group. Okay, and all these are the functional group. CHO, this is a prefix used as for this group is formyl. Okay, and the suffix is used as a al. That is if CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, so here it is 2 carbon atom ethane, and E is replaced by Al. So ethanal. Here Al suffix is used. Ethanal. Okay. Next one, CO. This is called as a oxo. In some cases, prefix oxo is used, but here suffix used is ONE. For example, here suppose CH3 C double bond O CH3. Here 3 carbon atom 1, 2, 3. So this is propane. Okay. E is replaced by ONE. So this is propanone. Okay. So here ONE. Then hydroxyl group. Here hydroxy. Okay. And prefix used as a hydroxy and suffix used as a OL. For example, here CH3 CH2OH. This is ethane, and for OH called as ethanol. So here OL is used as a suffix. Then here NH2. This is amino and amine. Means prefix used as a amino and suffix used as a amine. For example, here again and CH3 CH2 NH2. It is called as ethanamine or aminoethane. Aminoethane. So this amino, it is a prefix, and amine, it is suffix. Okay. So amino and amine. So here prefix and suffix means most of the compounds they use both prefix and suffix, but some compounds appearing only suffix. Okay, and that functional groups are first functional group, that is well-known functional group, that is halo group. Halo group X, and that is F, Cl, Br and I. Okay, so they are called as a halo, means chloro, bromo, iodo and fluoro. Okay, for and they use only prefix, means for example CH3 CH2Cl. So it is called as chloroethane. Chloroethane. Only प्रिफिक्स इज यूज. म्हणजे या कंपाऊंड मध्ये फक्त हे जेव्हा फंक्शनल ग्रुप असेल त्यावेळेस फक्त आपण प्रिफिक्स यूज करतो. इथे सफिक्स यूज करत नाही इन द आयुपीएससी सिस्टीम. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट वन that is OR. OR. This is called as the alkoxy group. Alkoxy group. For example, CH3O C2H5. So this is methoxy, means alkoxy, and this is ethane, means chlorofluorobromoiodo. They are used as a prefix. And अल्कोक्सी म्हणजे जर समजा हे फंक्शनल ग्रुप असतील तर यावेळेस नेहमीच आपण प्रिफिक्सचा वापर करतो. ओके, सफिक्सचा वापर या ठिकाणी करत नाही. प्लस इन ऍडिशन टू धिस, या रूलच्या सोबतच आपल्याला काय पाहिजे, गिव्ह द लोकेशन ऑफ द फंक्शनल ग्रुप. नॉट वन means for example, not one means if the functional group present at the one position, then there is not necessary to mention the position. But if the except that one position, that location of the given compound is necessary. For example, here CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the butanoic acid. Here this COOH at one position, and this is not necessary to mention this position. Okay. But if here CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH2 CH3. Now in this compound, here oxo group, okay, this ketonic group is there, then 1, 2, here 3, okay, again 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3, same. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 and 5, so here pent, then 3 ONE, so pent 3, 1, okay. So here the functional location of that functional group is must. If except one, then the location of the functional group must be mentioned. That is again next one. Here CH3 CH2 C double bond O, here NH2. This is, yes, amide. So here 1, 2, 3. So here propanamide. Propanamide. If CH3 C double bond O CH2 CH2 is there, then here butane. So butane. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Give the lowest possible number to the functional group. So here butane 2 ONE, butane 2 1. Okay. So after watching this video, then give the IUPAC name of the following compounds. 1 CH3 CH2 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 COOH. 2 CH3 CH2 COOH. 3 CH3 CHOH CH3. 4 CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. 5th CH3 CH2 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 OH. And 6 CH3C CH2 CH2 CHO. Okay.